once lit up Luoyang's night sky, viewed by thousands of people on social medias. It is the legend that set a Guinness World Record with 16,000 drones showing at the same time. This is EMO Plus, outdoor show drone. Strong power to break the barriers between the public for drone show. EMO Plus is equipped with a full surrounded physical protective cover, combining aerospace-grade palm material with carbon fiber, weighing 340 grams. The body of EMO Plus is fully optimized in structure. Key components are reinforced for protection, and waterproof performance is greatly improved. Equipped with an intelligent 4S battery, EMO Plus has 30 minutes of long battery life, bringing more possibilities and ideas for drone show. Newly designed high-power LED light with 16 million colors of EMO Plus, making it possible to upgrade light heat dissipation system. Even in high-temperature environments, EMO Plus maintains maximum brightness with integrated RTK positioning system. EMO Plus achieves millimeter-level positioning accuracy and a minimum flight spacing of 1.44 meters. Triple redundant radio link communication and plus original offline preparation technology. EMO Plus greatly enhances anti-interference capability. The newly upgraded swarm formation flight software Flying Dance makes every drone show safer and smarter. With just one click to activate the automatic placement function of EMO Plus, they can autonomously deploy according to the spacing. That is doubling efficiency for the range of EMO Plus. The real-time dynamic replacement function of EMO Plus automatically identifies abnormal drones, instantly filling drone gaps in the air to ensure perfect swarm integrity. Through the powerful Sky Show real-time control module, EMO Plus has real-time monitoring of drone status. A new receiver module is added to EMO Plus, supporting remote control takeover of abnormal drones without a network. That making flight control more flexible. Air suspension and rate takeoff of EMO Plus perfectly meet various show needs. Triple safety electronic fences of EMO Plus, setting up an invisible security line that provides unprecedented safety guarantees for drone shows. Magnetic free takeoff of EMO Plus effectively avoids environmental interference. The intelligent box takeoff and landing of EMO Plus enable precise homing with more flexible takeoff sites. Standard CAN-bus interface of EMO Plus realizes standardized load interfaces, supporting synchronous mounting of various special effect devices such as strobe lights, fireworks, lanterns, and confetti machine. Freer creative combinations and more stunning stage effects shown by EMO Plus, the gorgeous show of dancing drum in the sky, designed and appreciated by you. EMO Plus, the aerial dream maker for the future.